Hello guys, so today we're gonna do a vlog. This is Ted and you're here on my channel. So ngayon, ang i-vlog natin is this warts removal. Hindi lang warts ang mga nire-remove dito, kung hindi yung nunal and dark spots, freckles, yun yung mga nire-remove nila. Pero ngayon, sa vlog na ito, ang i-remove natin is yung warts. So, before nag-remove na ako ng pero kahapon, nag-remove na ako ng mga warts. So, I already removed my warts here. So, if you will notice, there are already scars, well, not really scars, or marks on the face there that I have already removed the warts. So, there. So as you can see, I've already removed the warts. So I think after the warts removal, this was actually black because it was burned. So but as you know, but you will notice that it is already healing. There. So, according to the manual, it will take 3 months before it will totally heal. Okay? So, today what we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove warts on the neck part. So, got this from Shoppe. This is the Kian Shishu Kian Shishu May. So I don't know if I correctly pronounce this. This is in Chinese. So there, and in this package, it has a needle, like it has a pen. So, and then 2 kinds of needle. This one. This is for the warts removal. And this is for the mole removal. And dark spots removal. So yes, you can notice this one is more thin. And you need to put it in here. So if I do a warts removal, or rather a mole removal, I would be using this. Pero ngayon, for now, we're gonna, so yun. So this one, it's also detachable. So you can actually sterilize this before you use this, or after using this. There. So this is the needle. Okay. And then usually when you do the process, you need an anesthesia. So since this one is not so much painful, not so much that the pain is tolerable naman, you can use it without anesthesia as well. But there are over-the-counter ointment that you can buy at drugstores. So, but for this one, I'm not gonna use anesthesia. Bakit importanteng i-remove ang warts? Because guys, dumadami yung warts removal. So, as you can see, ang dami kong warts dito. Nandito. So, dumami yan. So, once na meron na kayong warts, dapat i-remove nyo na kagad para hindi na dumami. So, meron namang sa mga clinics, pwede kayong pumunta sa mga clinic para ma-remove yung mga warts nyo. Kung ayaw nyo bumili, you want someone else to do that for you, then may mga clinic naman. Meron din mga cream. And dun sa recent na napanood ko, which is the Pinoy MD, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong ng sarili nyong warts removal. Like, you have to mix the baking powder with the castor oil. Now, when you turn this on, press the power button, press it on for 3 seconds. Ayan. Then, you will notice there's a red light. Can you see that? Okay, I think you can see that, guys. So, when the red light is, when the power button is already turned on, you can see the red light. So, you have to press this to adjust it according to your pain tolerance. So, not to worry kasi, ano naman siya, tolerable naman yung pain. So, and then, yung, except for the under eyes, so, medyo kakailangan mo siguro ng ano, or, you can lessen the power, or the power sa 2, or 3. 3 yung being less painful. So, nung initial na ginamit ko to, it was on the number 1. So, ngayon, nagagamitin, so, that was the most painful. So, ngayon, ang gagamitin natin ay ang 3, yung lesser pain. So, wala akong ilalagay na anesthesia. Yan, yung sa number 3, yan, hindi naman siya painful. Painful pala ng konti. So, remove nyo ng cotton buds. So, pag ako, yan. So, you press the button, press the out button, and then, mapapansin nyo, mag-green siya. So, once na mag-green na siya, point it sa areas na may warts. So, pag nag-green na siya, point it sa mga areas na may warts. Like that. There. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mag-iilaw siya. So, I don't know if you can pansin nyo, meron siyang usok. Usok siya. Ewan ko napapansin nyo. After ng so, gagamit tayo ng Sebo de Macho from TGP. From TGP naman to. Ito, meron silang ingredients. So, kung mapapansin nyo, merong mineral oil, stearic acid, paraffin wax. Yung paraffin wax, kung naabutan nyo yung show ni na Jelly de Belen and ni Janice de Belen. I think it was Jelly de Belen and Janice de Belen. Or si Jelly de Belen lang at. And if naabutan nyo yun, yung paraffin wax, ginagamit yun sa kamay para lumambot yung kamay, kuminis. So, ayun. So, di pa na-try yung paraffin wax, kung paano yun. So, medyo wina-warm ata. So, yun din yung materials na ginagamit sa candle. Yeah, pa. So, pilitan natin yun. Oleic acid, castor oil, and micro wax. So, yung castor wax, yung castor oil, so, ginagamit din to pang remove ng warts. Basta ihalo sa baking soda or baking powder rather. And then, meron din siyang micro wax. So, mariremove na yung, so, meron na tayong pang-heal, tapos mariremove pa yung mga so totally mariremove na yung mga warts. So after that, so lalagyan na ng Sebo de Macho para hindi naman masyadong mag-scar. So yun. So sa lagyan 16 pesos, meron ka na ng Sebo de Macho. Ayan. Huwag muna mag-wash ng 24 hours. Kasi, naghihilom pa siya. Thank you for watching my vlog, guys. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. And see you on my next vlog. Auf Wiedersehen!